Hydraulic cylinder. A hydraulic cylinder also forces fluid along a piping system to operate the cylinder. It is mainly used in shock absorber under wheel braking systems. A hydraulic cylinder converts hydraulic energy into pressure energy during the reciprocating motion. The cylinder unit contains a rod piston assembly that slides relative to the cylinder. The cylinder and the rod end usually have a provision for a pin joint. The main parts of hydraulic cylinder are the piston rod, the body, the oil pin, and the end cap. Now you are seeing the complete exploded view of a hydraulic cylinder.